I have to go for a party and I don't have much time to do anything. I really don't have time to wash my hair and I need to fix it somehow. I need to fix my baby hair. I need to fix my hair real quick. And yes, I am doing it with petroleum jelly. Yes, petroleum jelly, and I will show you today 10 uses of petroleum jelly. This was the first. Let's find out 9 more. I forgot my makeup kit and my skin looks so dull. Don't worry, you have petroleum jelly with you. Just apply petroleum jelly slowly at your cheek, both the sides, and your forehead and your chin, and it will give a natural glow and shine at your face. And you are ready. Number 3. Of course, we all use it for cracked lips, so you can apply it for your cracked lips. But sometimes when you apply matte lipstick and your lipstick looks very dull at the end of the day, you can apply a little bit of Vaseline on top of the matte lipstick and it will give a natural shine to your lipstick. I'm trying hard to wear my bangles but it's not going in. Don't worry, apply Vaseline. Let's apply Vaseline both the sides and slide your bangles in. Same thing happens sometimes when you can't remove your ring and you're trying hard to remove your ring and you're not able to remove the ring. Apply Vaseline and slowly slide the ring out and you're done. And this is very useful and effective perfume jelly. So here I have put a little bit of Vaseline, and once you put the Vaseline, you keep it inside the microwave for some 10 or 20 seconds. Take it out. Once you take it out, you can put your favorite perfume in it and lock it. Whenever you go out, keep this inside your bag, and whenever you feel your hand or your ears or your palm is dry, just apply it. You will get both the benefit of a perfume and the moisturizer. You want to go out somewhere and you still can see some gray hair and you don't have time to dye your hair? No worries at all. You can always use a liner. This is a black eyeliner and you can get it anywhere online also. If you have a brush, you can use a brush, or if you don't have a brush, then you can use a earbud. Apply a little bit of Vaseline here and rub it at the eyeliner, and wherever you can see gray hair, just fix it with it and your gray hair will be invisible quickly. Same thing you can do for your eyebrows as well. If you have an eyeliner, then you can use some Vaseline and put it in this eyeliner, and without the Vaseline it is difficult because it will not be really clear. It will not be really very prominent. But with the Vaseline, you can see how nicely you can draw the line. And same way you can apply for your eyes as well. When the zip of your favorite t-shirt doesn't work, apply Vaseline at the zip and it will start working. Hope you liked all the tips that I shared about petroleum jelly. If you liked my video and liked my content, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video and turn on the notification for future videos. This is Millie saying bye to all of you. Take very good care of yourself. Stay blessed, stay happy.